Good morning, guys. We have this 17 Cayenne Porsche in our shop. It's been taken to a different mechanic, and the customer basically complained about a whining noise and they accelerate or de-accelerate or slow down basically. And the mechanic told them the transfer case needs to be replaced, but in that case it's not. They brought it to us to get a second opinion. It is the front diff. 99% of the time on these Porsche Cayennes, they go bad. We drained a bit of oil, and if you can see, I don't know if you can see it now, all the metal shaving in the oil, that indicates your front diff going out basically. So that's not a big job. I mean, it is a big job, but it saves the customer a couple of $1,000s.